Vinyl floors are renowned for their dependability and simplicity of upkeep. However, they can sometimes be susceptible to damage from rubber marks. There are a few easy techniques to get rid of rubber stains on vinyl flooring. To remove rubber marks from vinyl flooring, start by wiping the area with a damp cloth. If the mark is still visible, try scrubbing it with a mild detergent and a soft bristled brush. If the mark is stubborn, you may need to use a stronger cleaning solution, such as vinegar or rubbing alcohol. After the mark has been removed, take sure to properly dry the area and rinse it with clean water. 4 different methods to remove rubber marks from vinyl flooring. If you have vinyl flooring, you may have noticed that rubber mats or shoes can sometimes leave marks on the surface. These marks are not only unsightly, but they can also be difficult to remove. Fortunately, there are a few quick ways to get rubber stains off vinyl flooring. In this article, we'll show you how to use household items to safely and effectively remove rubber marks from your vinyl floor. 1. Eraser method. If you have ever had to deal with unwanted rubber marks on your vinyl flooring, you know how frustrating it can be. Despite your best efforts, those stains simply won't go away. However, there is a workaround, the eraser technique. Here's how it works. 1. Take a clean eraser and rub it over the marks. 2. Use a circular motion and apply moderate pressure. 3. Continue rubbing until the marks are gone. That's it. You may quickly get rid of any undesirable rubber stains on your vinyl flooring with this easy approach. Give it a try the next time you're dealing with this frustrating issue. 2. Alcohol method. One of the other most effective ways to remove rubber marks from vinyl flooring is to use alcohol. Alcohol will cause the rubber to degrade and make it simpler to remove. Use a spray bottle to combine water and rubbing alcohol in an equal ratio. Spray the remedy on the troubled region after that, and let it sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, massage the region in a circular motion with a clean towel. 3. Baking soda method. If you have vinyl flooring, you know that it's susceptible to damage from rubber soles. Rubber leaves marks on vinyl flooring, and over time, these marks can become permanently embedded in the material. There are several methods for eradicating rubber stains from vinyl flooring. You can use a commercial cleaner, you can scrub the marks with a stiff brush, or you can try the baking soda method. To use the baking soda method, you'll need 1 cup baking soda, 1 gallon warm water, a clean mop. Instructions. 1. Mix the baking soda and water in a bucket. 2. Dip the mop into the mixture and wring it out. 3. Mop the affected area of the floor. 4. Let the mixture dry on. 4. Toothpaste method. If you have ever accidentally left a rubber object on your vinyl flooring for too long, you know that it can leave behind unsightly marks. Luckily, there is a quick and easy way to remove these marks using nothing more than a common household product, toothpaste. Apply a tiny amount of toothpaste to the area and massage it in with a soft cloth to remove rubber stains off vinyl flooring. Before wiping the toothpaste off, you might need to let it sit on the spot for a few minutes. After the mark has been removed, rinse the area with warm water to get rid of any toothpaste that may have remained. So the next time you accidentally leave a rubber object on your vinyl flooring, don't panic, just reach for the toothpaste.